Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Indeed resume management for quicker applications. To start, open your web browser and go to the Indeed website. Log into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. Enter your email and password, then click sign in. Once logged in, navigate to the resume section found in the main menu. If you don't have a resume uploaded yet, click on build your resume. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. Next, add your work experience by clicking on Add Work Experience. Include the job title, company name, location, and dates of employment. Provide a brief description of your responsibilities and achievements in each position. Once you've filled in your work history, click Add Education to enter your educational background. Fill in the necessary details, including the school name, degree, and graduation year. If you have any certifications or additional skills, click on Add Skills or Certifications. Choose Relevance. After updating your resume, click Save to keep your changes. Next, navigate to the Resume Settings section in the menu. Here, you can choose to make your resume public or private. For quicker applications, consider setting your resume to public to attract more employers. After adjusting your settings, click Save Changes to confirm. Now, you can use the saved resume to apply for jobs directly. When you find a job listing, click the Apply Now button. Select your resume from the options provided and review before submission. Finally, submit your application to complete the process. Repeat this process for each job listing you wish to apply for. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.